Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent a set of 10 pot holders. This is a really neat set. You actually get different kinds of pot holders. You've got the standard little 7-inch ones that actually will hold up to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. You put your hot pans on it, and you do have a nice little gripper on there. With this, you get 6 of this variety. Actually got lots of cute little different designs on them. They each come individually packaged like this, so that is a really nice feature as well. And they get this really neat one that has little silicone strips all across the back of it. Now this is around 9.5 by 6.5 with a hanging hole, and you have little finger holders in here. But you've got about boiling water right here. So whenever you are then having something to protect your wood or table, linoleum, whatever you're wanting to put this on, you can easily put on the hot pad. Put it on there, and I can actually hold it on my hand and I'm not feeling that heat, which is fantastic. That is amazing. You turn that off. But with this one right here, it actually has a little holder for your hand. So say you're going in and you're getting something out of your oven, you can easily reach in on your oven, use the little silicone pads to be able to hold onto it, and it makes it to where it doesn't slip around, which is fantastic as well. So I really appreciate how you have that. Easily set that down as well. The silicone is super nice improvement on here. Easily stack them up, put them up for storage. You can pick out a variety of different colors, and you can display however you want.